flush in here. Still coming along. Something I didn't say when you're cutting up these string beans, it can be any string bean that you want. We actually got these out of our garden in the backyard. They're I think a blue string bean, but make sure you cut off the ends. I'm gonna have my wife cut one up like she would, and grab one of those green beans from scratch right out of the bag. So as you can see, I'm kind of zoom in. She's gonna cut the edge, the end of it off, you know, right there on the end. It's a pointy end, you can't miss it, and then you just kind of cut it like so. After that, you got it. Every other bean will be done the same way. Alright, here's the finished product of the green beans, all sliced up and ready. I'll zoom out and you will see that we are now getting ready to take the tip of a fork with the garlic, and we're going to brown that garlic in a pan until it's brown. How about that? You're going to take that one full-size onion or half onion or whatever you want. If you don't like onion, you don't have to use it, but if you're using onion, go ahead and stir fry that along with the garlic. And you're going to just kind of stir that around, stir frying it. Alright, now that the onion is brown and the garlic is brown, we're going to go ahead and add the string beans that have been washed, the tips cut off, and sliced. And just kind of stir fry that in there. And some ovens may vary, but right now she's cooking on about medium high, so that's like, if it's numbers, it will be like a 7 or 8. We've got 2 tablespoons of vinegar that she's getting ready to add. It smells good already and all the ingredients haven't been added. So here goes the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Kind of spread it over there like that. And you're going to take a little soy sauce. And that's like 1 big cooking spoon full. And just kind of spread that on top. Okay, 1 more. So that's 2. At the end of the video, we'll go ahead and give you the actual ingredients. And number 3. I'm gonna cover and let that kind of cook down for a sec. We'll be back. Okay, it's been cooking now for about 15 minutes. You see how the color has changed a little bit? That 1/4 of water is there so you can add it, because a lot of that moisture from the green beans and the soy sauce and the vinegar cooked off. So you just add that 1/4 of water, and you're going to cook these for 20 to 30 minutes or until tender. I say that because ovens differ, so the heat is going to vary. Okay, and just to be safe, we're going to get another small cup of water, and this time we'll go half and just have that sitting on standby just in case. Oh, she added it. Okay, so another half cup of water. All right, we'll be back. We're getting ready to add the grinded pepper from the corn pepper. Just a generous amount, and actually you're just seasoning to taste. So if you don't like black pepper, you don't have to use it. If you like black pepper, of course, add it. MSG, we're adding it, and I know a lot of you out there don't like that, but it's for taste. We're doing it in this recipe. If you don't want it, just exclude it from the recipe. But again, seasoning to taste. Kind of mix that up. We're going to cover it again and let it cook a little bit. Now the last thing that we're going to be adding, and it's almost like it's a garnish, it's the homemade bacon bits. The bacon that we cooked earlier in the video. We're going to add that to it, give it a good stir, and it is set. You can add this to your dinner plans, eat it by itself, or eat it with a vegetable, another vegetable, or any meat that you would have. We are now adding the bacon. The string beans are right at tender now. Stir those in. Mix thoroughly. And once you've done that, that's it. You have green beans and bacon bits. If it was chicken breast, you'll have green beans and chicken breast, or any other meat that you decide to use with your green beans. We're going to put these on a plate and give you the final how it looks. Okay, here we have the finished product. Okay, green beans and bacon, and we've got a side of white rice with it, so you can just kind of look. There we go. Yep. There you have it, folks. If you like what you've seen, let us know. Make a comment. Probably it's going to be down at the bottom of the screen. Subscribe. But anyway, thanks for watching another segment of Doing Stuff with CyberLink. Bye.